Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be teaching you how to get those really chiseled and defined model cheekbones. Now before anybody tries to come for me, I'm not saying I am a model in any way, shape, or form, but I do get comments all the time of people pointing out how defined or structured my cheekbones are, so I thought it would be fun to share a little how-to video with you. Now if you've seen any of my other makeup videos, then you probably have seen me contour already, but I'm gonna go more in depth with this one and do a little bit more close up. That way you can really see exactly how to get it super defined. Before I get into it, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and click that little bell so you never miss one of my videos. And if you liked this video and you thought it was helpful, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Now without further ado, let's get right into this video. Whoa, I don't know how I feel about being this close to the camera. Right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is talk about what contouring I use, and it's really beat up, so bear with me. I've had it for a while. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and this one is the powder form. I know they have it in the cream one too, but I prefer powder contour. I just feel like it is easier to blend in. And it's really important when you're contouring that you go for a cool shade first, like this one here in the middle. That's because cool tones are going to look more like natural shadows on your face, whereas warm tones aren't going to look as natural. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is the brush I use, and I know this brush is a little bit unorthodox when it comes to contouring, but it is this brush right here, and I think it's supposed to be like an eyeshadow brush of some sort. I've had it forever. It's from Essence of Beauty. It's just like a super cheap brush. I got it like Rite Aid or CVS. But I like it because it does have this angled end here, and that's really good for getting right into the angles of your face. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that cool tone right on the brush. Basically what you're gonna wanna do is you're going to want to like kind of suck your cheek in. So like you see when I do that, you automatically get a bone, and everybody has cheekbones. It just depends on your face shape. Some are more defined and noticeable, and some are a little bit more hidden. So depending on the shape and structure of your face, you may need to kind of suck your face in a little bit more to really be able to see that line. And you can kind of already see a little bit of a difference there.
Hey, that's pretty good.
And I actually like to kind of pull it all the way down towards my jaw. And if you want your cheekbones to be a little bit higher, instead of doing it right in that crease, you can do it just a little bit above it, and that'll give you even more of a high cheekbone appearance. Okay, now you can see the lines are definitely a lot more defined, but you don't want to leave it like that because it doesn't look natural. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to take this angled brush here from Sephora, and it's kind of the same shape as the smaller one, it's just bigger. And I'm gonna go ahead and pick up that same cool shade again, and I'm just gonna go right over and start blending that right in. And you can see I'm kind of blending that contour up in like a C shape around my face. That kind of also helps just define your face a little bit more and give you a little bit more of a bronzy glow. Totally don't have to do that. I usually just go from like here and it kind of comes into a C shape around my face, but that's completely optional.
But it's summer, so why the heck not, girls? Come on now, everyone wants to be a bronze goddess.
So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this slightly warmer shade right here next to the cool tone that we just used. It's kind of in between a cool and a warm tone. This one is a little too warm. So I'm going to pick that up on the fluffy brush again. And for this one, I'm just kind of going to stick to the higher parts of my cheek here.
Tell you something about the way she moves, yeah. Could bring a snowflake in June. She don't see me act a fool and never playing by the rules.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, how I get my very defined and chiseled cheekbones. Super easy, and you don't even need the same contour palette that I have, just any contouring palette with a range of cooler tones to really get those natural looking shadows onto the angles of your face. I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you so much for watching.